Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Danish Hassan. I have been an alumnus of GEMS Kalkaji of 2014 and 16 batch. I am working here in Oman with Khimji Ramdas. I have been associated with Khimji Ramdas for around 4 years now. I have worked with multiple brands like P&G, Procter & Gamble, Kellogg's and Red Bull. My journey in GEMS has been amazing. The 2 years in GEMS Kalkaji has taught me a lot. They have contributed a lot to my personal and professional life. Talking about my faculties, before that I just want to give you an idea where our college GEMS Kalkaji stands. Our GEMS Kalkaji college has been ranked as 23rd best B school across India and 13th best B school across North India. So one of the proud moment for all the alumni. So, talking about the faculties in GEMS Kalkaji. In GEMS Kalkaji, there are faculties who are having a lot of experience, and these faculties do not give you an idea about only on theoretical knowledge, but also they will give you an exposure on practical knowledge as well. At the same time, there are a lot of events which has been organized by GEMS Kalkaji, like social cultural events, sports annual meet, marketing fest, and many more. So these are the events where an individual need to go and participate and showcase their talent, and they can meet with different people, different mindset, and they can share a lot of ideas together. They can host stages, they can improve their leadership skills, and they can learn how to be a good team player. There are a lot of guest lectures, workshops, and industrial visits which has been organized by GEMS Kalkaji, which helps every individual students to understand how the corporate culture operates, what are the technicalities of the corporate world. And the most important thing is the guest lecture. There are a lot of speakers who are coming in and giving their lectures. They're speaking about a lot of topics, their experience. And one of the best thing about GEMS Kalkaji is the speakers, not only they are coming from domestic level but international level as well. For me, as getting internationally placed, for me it has helped a lot that I have seen a lot of international speakers coming and sharing the experience about the global market, which has helped me a lot to get the international placement. Along with that, the most important thing which I think is in this course is PT trainings, personality enhancement trainings. These are the trainings which has been conducted everywhere in all the professional courses, but the way GEMS has conducted these trainings has helped a lot to every individual's life. These trainings helps every individual to understand the corporate culture, to be a good team player, to be the best communicator in the corporate world, how to improve your leadership skills, and many more. So once we take admission in these kind of professional courses, first thing what comes in our mind is internships and placements. So once you are a part of GEMS family, you don't need to be worried about any kind of internships or placements or any stuff, because there is a specific team which works for you for each and every student. That is what we call as placement cells. They will guide you that which all specialization you need to look forward to, which all sectors you need to look forward to, and what all the companies which are right for you. So overall, it has been an amazing journey, amazing time in GEMS Kalkaji, and yes, for sure, I can say confidently that it had made me a better professional and a more confident person in person. Last but not the least, there should be no second thought in choosing GEMS Kalkaji. This is one of the best college a student can ever have. Thank you so much. All the best.